you need to know where your sources are coming from. More sources, more organic source from search engines means your SEO tricks and hacks are working perfectly. I repeat, more organic traffic from search engines means your SEO tricks and hacks are working perfectly. Remember we talked about comparing your paid versus organic traffic, but this is different. Here we're talking about the source. Where are those traffic coming from? Where are your visitors coming from? How did they get to know about you? Are they from social media? Are they from your email links? Are they from search engines? Basically, your SEO tricks and hack is performing fine and wonderfully if you're getting more organic traffic from search engines. It means search engines reference your website so much that they are recommending you to a lot of people, and a lot of your traffic, most of your traffic, are coming from search engines even though you don't pay for it.